All right, so Ben Franklin wrote Poor Richard's Almanac, which was infused with things called aphorisms. An aphorism is a concise or memorable expression of a general truth or principle. Sometimes is meant to give you advice or insight. They're often handed down by tradition from generation to generation as advice. An example would be a penny saved is a penny earned. So the advice for that is start small and then eventually it will add up. Um, so aphorisms are what he was really well known for. So what you're going to do is you are going to get an aphorism and you're going to do the following. Number one, you're going to illustrate a picture of the aphorism. Number two, you're going to explain the aphorism's literal meaning. So when I say literal meaning, you explain. A penny saved is a penny earned. Literally what that means is if you save a penny, then you haven't spent it. Next, you will explain the idea the aphorism expresses. What's the message or advice? Well, the advice would be if you start small, eventually your savings will add up. Then you have to come up with a real-world example that connects to the meaning. So I would say my real-world example would be to start a savings account and put money in each week. Obviously, I'm missing the picture to go with this. You will have the picture. So you will get assigned one of these aphorisms. And here's an example. Here's the literal meaning, the advice or idea, the real world example, and a picture. Here's another one. The literal meaning, the idea expressed, and the real world example with the picture. If you're struggling, please take a look at these and my example.